Hi guys, this is Gabriel again. On this video we're going to check the new features, the new updates for Windows 11 22H2. Let's begin. For that we're going to start by putting our password. Now that we have entered Windows 11, make sure to go to the start. And as you can see, the new update that we have found is that you can now put all the icons in groups. Like if you were on Android, as you can see here, you had the idea, right? You had the idea how this is working here. Now, the other update that I can tell you that has Windows 11 is if you go to personalization. On personalization, you will be able to check that on start menu we have different options. For instance, we have several options. For instance, more pins, default, more recommendation. What that makes in the system is that you will have plenty of space on recommendation area here. For the default, it's half and a half, right? If you want to have more pins, select that one. And you will see a lot of icons here, and the recommendation will be small. Now, the other part that I would like to show you is that now in Windows 11 we have the option to drag the files. For instance, here I have it here. Okay, remove it, it's gone. Pin, but if you want to include it here in the taskbar, you can see here that you have the feature, right? Now, the other part that I would like to share with you that I like the most is that when you are on the Windows screen here, for example, I got this window here and I would like to accommodate or reorganize in a different way. You go to this part here, you have several options, as you can see, for you to have a better workplace area. That's another feature, right? Now, let me tell you another part that I was able to notice. It's that you will be able to get a ClipChamp. That's a video editor, similar to Movie Maker that we used to have in the past. You remember that? That was amazing. But now, change everything. It has a lot of options for you to edit videos and use different templates. For example, for gaming, due to Instagram social media apps, text overlays, slideshows, and as you can see here, has more than, as you can see on the screen, has several examples what you can do in this video editor. Home screen. If, for example, I want to use one template, right? I'm going to choose this one here. I select that one, use this template, and you will be able to see the timeline as you were in Camtasia, or if you were in another video editor like Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere. And as you can see, it has audio settings, face settings, filters, adjustment for the color, speed, transition, color. As well, on this part here, you will be able to record your screen as if you were using Camtasia. And templates here, music, effects, or any other type of music, stock videos. These are like small videos that you can include on your edition. And stock images, you can download more content, include here. Text effects, as you can see, has a lot of effects here. For example, here, and also graphics or transitions. Transitions makes the video in a better way. A lot of presentation, a lot of personality, right? Now, let's go to the other part. Another thing that I have noticed that has here, it's the narrator. Narrator now it's amazing, you know, because he has the voice, for example, human voice, not the computer that used to be like the fake one. But now the voice sounds more natural. Like on this one, welcome to Narrator, you will have the available. Okay, sounds more natural, like a human. You can include more voices here. Okay, that's a demonstration about what you can do with Narrator now as a human voice, natural, looks, feels, and wow, man, it's very nice to have that voice. Now let's go to the other part. I have noticed as well that it has um, voice control, voice access. This will this will work like if you were using Siri, like in iOS, like Mac OS, Siri. So let me see. Say voice access wake up. Voice access wake up. Voice access wake up. Voice access wake up. It says here that you have to say that word, but you will see that there has a lot of functionalities if you want to use it. But maybe there are some people that will find this useful, but I don't use it. It's up to you. Now let me go to the other part. Focus settings. It has an improvement screen here where you can manage your time. If you're like studying, working, you can put here. Let me show you here. Okay. This will help you similar to the Pomodoro techniques, right? The Pomodoro techniques help you to manage your time. Every time that you cross like 30 minutes, 20 minutes, it will help you to have a better control. But now, let me just check real quick here. If you stop this one, you can manage here. You will have a break. And you got the idea, right? If you have used the Pomodoro technique in the past, you will know what to do on this. And it's a good time. It's a good machine. It's a good software, you know, that can help you to improve the productivity on a daily basis. I got the timer here, the alarm, the stopwatch, and the work clock. Okay, now let's go to the other part. What I have noticed is that you have the option of light captions. Light captions, for example, if you want to get subtitled automatically, the system does this for you without the intervention of any other software. So now light captions, it's available for you. If you are watching a video on YouTube or if you are watching a movie and you don't have the subtitles, the system automatically detects the audio and converts it into subtitles. Light caption is similar to that. If you go to the, let me see here. Okay, this is an example of light caption. It's similar to subtitles, right? And what else? Here, well, that's another update, so I'm going to close this tab here because I'm not going to use it. Now, let me go to the other part that I have noticed here. Let me take a moment here. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you. I got one update that it will blow your mind. Dark mode. Dark mode? You will ask, right? Go to your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and then Escape. And it will give you this beautiful task manager. You will ask, wow, that's amazing. I know. Let me tell you. We have here like processes, performers, app history, startup apps, users, details, services. Another update that I can tell you is run new task. Instead of put regedit, like here, like you put Windows plus R Now you can run it from here instead of pressing Windows R. And on the settings, you will have a default start page if you want to do here, or real update speed, Windows management always on top, minimize unused, hidden when minimized. I would like to mention that having Task Manager in dark mode, it helps. And I forgot to tell you that it has a efficiency mode. That says efficiency mode will lower process priority and improve power efficiency, but may cause instability for certain processes. Do you want to continue? And that's the other update. Let me see what else. I would like to show you that home screen has the favorites where you can have all the applications. Do not disturb here. Automatically rules. Control about notifications. Do not disturb on. Set priority notifications. You can have a better control about those if you're working and you don't want to be interrupted on your daily basis. And notifications on, and we'll see here what you can control and manage. Okay, now let me continue with the other one. And if you want to have the option to change the wallpaper every day, and if you have a lot of wallpapers or personal picture that you have in one folder, you want them to be your wallpaper and change it automatically from time to time, Windows 11 Update has another feature that says here, let me just show you, wallpaper. And it has the option that Windows Spotlight. That will change from time to picture. Now, what else? What I can tell you? If you have noticed, we're using this version here. Well guys, we have come to the last part of the video. I hope you like it. We will be updating the channel with more steps about Windows 11 that will help you to have a better understanding about the system. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.